Yo, 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 it's Cinderella Sew. What up? Today I'm going to show you how to take a sweater and turn it into a sweater vest. And this is what it looks like when it's all done. The first thing you're going to do is try on your sweater, and then you're going to take some pins, any kind of pin like that, and you're going to put a pin where you want the shoulders to stop and also to show how short you want your sweater vest to be. So you're just putting 2 pins in, one along the bottom and one along the shoulders to show you where to cut and make it into a vest. So you're going to take the seam, the shoulder seam, and make sure that's at the very top, and then smooth out the sweater so it's nice and smooth where we're going to cut. We're going to start cutting right under the sleeve and curve up towards the pin. But we're not cutting right to the pin because we're going to have some seam allowance. So that means you can leave about 3 fingers width from the pin. We're actually just going to take that pin and move it over so that now we know exactly where we're going to cut. So you're going to take a good pair of fabric scissors, just cut into the fabric like this, and now curve up towards that pin. You can take the pin out and then finish cutting right through the shoulder. Now we're going to use this part we cut off and put it on the other side, and now this will show us how much to cut off of this side. And then you'll line up the shoulder seam of this part with the shoulder seam of that part, and now you can just follow that line and cut. Don't be scared, you just gotta do it. And cut right through like that. So now we have both sleeves off. Now you're gonna line up the sweater along the bottom, making sure those seams line up, and cut about 3 fingers width from that pin. Move the pin down to where you're gonna cut, and now have the sweater face away from you, and we're gonna cut towards that pin. So we'll take our fabric scissors, start cutting. When you get to the center, you can stop. And it doesn't have to be exact because this is going to be a seam. You want to make sure this is nice and lined up on the bottom still. And now we're going to fold the part you already cut over to the other side. So again, that's going to show you where to keep cutting all the way. Cut with this fabric as a guide of where to cut, like that. And now we have that all off. So when you're sewing, you're going to sew from the wrong side. So that means you're going to turn this inside out. We just have to sew these raw edges down. So we're going to take some thread, pull it out the length of your arm, and then cut it off at a bit of an angle like that. That just makes it nice and easy to get into your sewing needle. And now you're going to put the thread through that tiny hole in the top of the sewing needle, just like that, and then pull the thread through until the ends meet at the bottom, like that. Now you can just smooth it out with your fingers, and we are ready to start sewing. We're going to start on the side seam under one of the sleeves, and you're just going to fold the fabric down once and then twice so that the fray edge is all tucked in and not exposed at all. And we're just going to sew it in place like that. So you can put your needle through both layers of fabric, the sweater and the rolled seam we just did, and then pull your thread through, but not all the way through. Then we're going to go back through the same holes again with our needle, or close to the same holes, and this creates that loop of thread. So you can put your needle through that loop and pull it shut, and this creates a knot. We're going to do 3 knots, just creating those loops of thread, putting our needle through the loop and pulling it tight. And you can do one on the other side as well. And this will just secure the thread in place for sewing. So now that we've done 3 knots, we're just going to sew all along this rolled hem, all along around this sleeve area. So to do that, you can go down through the fabric of the sweater and out through that rolled hem. And we're just going to do this all along. So again, we're just going through the fabric of the sweater and out through the rolled hem. So we're just going to sew all along, and every now and then you're going to do one of those knots, which means you just come out through the same area you already came out, create that loop of thread, put your needle through the loop, and pull it shut. All along until the entire hem is sewn in place. When you're running low on thread, you only have about a finger's length left. You're going to do 3 knots on top of each other, and then you can cut off your thread and rethread your needle. Again, you're just creating those loops, putting your needle through the loop, pulling it shut, and when you have 3 knots, you're safe to cut off your thread and rethread your needle and start sewing again. So now we've rethreaded our needle. We're going to start by making those 3 knots again in the fabric, just starting close to where you stopped sewing. Create a loop of thread, pull your needle through the loop, and once you create 3 knots, we will just continue sewing. And we're almost at another seam. So a seam like this is another great place to do a bunch of knots, and you want to make sure that you fold it right on top of each other at that seam. So we'll just go through the seam, out through the hem, and then through the loop of thread to create a knot. And we will do a couple knots on top of each other to make sure it's nice and secure. Now we can just keep sewing all the way around the rest of the sleeve. So we're almost back to where we started sewing. Just keep doing those stitches until you're right back to that side seam, and then we'll do a bunch of knots and we can cut off our thread. Now we'll just go again through that seam, and once you do 3 knots, you can cut off your thread, and you've done your first batch of sewing. So now you can see this armhole has a beautiful hem, nice and sewn in place. So we're going to do the same thing to the other armhole. And now we're just doing our last couple of stitches on this armhole here. We're done there. Cut off our thread. And that's done. You have these nice hems sewn, and when you flip the sweater the right side out, you don't see any of your stitches at all. So your armholes are sewn in place. All we have to do now is the exact same thing along the bottom of the sweater. So again, you're going to start at a side seam, roll it up once, twice, and then sew all along this bottom, making that nice rolled hem. So we'll cut off some thread, thread our needle like that, pull it through, smooth it out, and we're going to start at this side seam here, rolling it up once, twice, and then doing our knots right in that seam to keep it in place. So you're going through the seam, out through the fabric, and then back through the same area again. You can put your needle through that loop and pull it shut. And when you do that 3 times, you'll have 3 knots, and you can start sewing all along the bottom. Perfect. So now you're just going to do the same thing, rolling the fabric up once and then twice and sewing that in place. So you'll just go through the sweater, out through the hem, and every now and then do a knot just to secure the fabric in place. And we're going to do this all along the bottom. We're back to where we started sewing along the bottom, right at that side seam there, and we're just going to do our 3 knots, and then we can cut off our thread and try it on. Yeah, cut off your thread. You can see all those hems have been sewn. We're going to turn it right side out, and we have our cute little sweater vest. And now we're all done. And now you have this cute little sweater vest. So cute. Thank you so much for watching Cinderella Sew, and I'll see you soon. Peace.